So, you wanna learn HVAC, eh? Rule number 1, don't do anything. Rule 2, take a break, run a vacuum. Vacuum time. Boy, this is a dirty one, it's gonna take at least 12 hours. Rule 3, bring your own BJ Betty.
Who's this? Are you my nephew?
No, you old hag, this is my assistant. She's here to appraise the damage to your unit while I keep, working.
Appraisal. Big situation.
Oh, very well.
Ooh. Now, did you get all that? Didn't think so. Now go out there and make me proud.